Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the Drop Shot Preacher, and we're back again. It's funny that I say back again because I keep recording videos and I'm not sharing them. Came back from the Trinity River, went on a much-needing fishing adventure, and got skunked. When you don't fish for a long time, it's almost like you forget how to fish. But my daughter wanted to go fish, so we went. I'm officially on vacation. First vacation in like 6 months. And we're getting ready for Christmas dinner, guys. Today, I have a 22-pound prime beef, highly marbled for superior flavor, satisfaction, guaranteed brisket. Got it at Sam's, 135 bucks. Looking at about $5.98 a pound. First brisket that I've ever done. We're getting the smoker ready outside. We're gonna trim this bad boy up, and I'm gonna bring you on the journey. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna cut into this brisket. We're gonna pull it out of here. Now again, this is the first time that I've ever done a brisket, guys. So I'm gonna be learning in this process. We're gonna set this right here real quick, just so we can get rid of our mess here. We're gonna get our top ready. So we need to get rid of all this fat right here. No, yeah, that's fine. And we're gonna use this fat ultimately for some beef tallow, right? There's a few things that we need to do first. Alright guys, so we got most of our fat off. As you can see, there's a lot of it. I mean, there's got to be 2-3 pounds of fat. We're going to leave this side of the fat on the flat to protect it from cooking. Got a little bit of meat that came off here and we're squaring it off. Now we're going to get ready to do our beef tallow. I'm going to use the stove because I'm not going to be having this on the smoker. I want to get it pretty quickly. So, got a pot over here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on in here and get ready to go. Let's see how we can do it. Alright guys, so as a binder, we're going to be using wash your ass sauce. I'm playing Worcestershire sauce, which is right here. I'm going to shake it up real good. Really, you're just looking for something to put over the food that would just allow the seasonings to stick. So, honestly, you can put as much as you want. I recently started using this over a few different other things, but overall I think it's great on beef. So, that's what we're going to use. I'll take this off real quick because the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to get a good pepper layer. Now we all know that pepper, this was going to give us that good bark on anything, whether it's a steak, whether it's a prime rib. You want to make sure that you get a good layer of pepper. Now, I've got a few things that we're going to use here. First of all, Holy Cow barbecue rub by Meat Church. Here's the deal, guys. This is a big piece of meat. So we're not going to hesitate on how much seasoning we throw on this thing. You want to make sure that it's covered all the way around. Salt, pepper, garlic. Again, I already have more than enough seasoning on here, but it's not going to hurt. We'll throw a little bit more. Alright, now we're gonna flip this thing over, guys. Oh.
Isn't all the seasoning gonna come off?
Nope. I'm gonna put our Worcestershire sauce. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna start with our pepper.
How are you gonna do the sides?
What do you mean?
Like, you know, like, you know, you do the top and the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
What about the sides?
Okay.
Oh.
Good. Now I'm gonna do our salt, pepper, garlic. I think she's ready to go, guys. We're gonna go check on the fire. All right, guys, so we're outside. We got the fat sitting in the bottom of the smoker with some water just to keep its moisture. We got some little pieces of steak cooking right there that came off the brisket, and here is our beautiful brisket right here. We got these smokers sitting right around 300 degrees, but it's going down because I have the lid open. We're about to place this thing on here, and we're gonna place it with the flat side facing away from the smoker. Just like this. So anything that drips from the brisket is gonna go down in there. We're gonna come get these steaks in a minute. Temperature steady going down. We're looking anywhere from 250 to 275. Now we're gonna probe it on the thick side. So we're gonna want this on the thickest part of the brisket, just like that. Right now it's currently sitting at 79 degrees. We're gonna wrap it at 165. See you guys soon. All right, guys, let's see where this brisket is at. Look at that. We're sitting right around 142. Spritz it down. Make sure it ain't looking nothing burnt over here. Actually looks pretty good. Let's check the flat. Flat's a little higher, but that's expected. Let's go back over here. 145. Let's close this bad boy. Guys, so we got our bark where we want it. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off now. And we're gonna put it on the paper, just like this.
Smells good.
All right, that's our brisket. We wet the paper up. And all we're gonna do is stuff it just like this. And then fold it up nice and tight because this is going in the oven, guys. There. So that's the fat cap here. All right. So we need to remember where we're at. Turn it back up a little bit, baby. Have it nice and tight. Okay. And then this, we're just gonna fold it in. Just want to make sure it's nice and tight. We got our pan here. This is so you want it fat side up.
So is it done?
Nope, still gonna cook overnight.
Got it.
Alright guys, and it's going in the oven. We'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, our brisket has been sitting. This is our first look at it right here. I'm gonna get a close-up, man. Brisket. We're gonna cut right here at the flat first. I'm gonna put it in there. Look at that. Look at all that juice, guys. Dang, that looks so good. Alright, guys, so that's the flat. Oh, wrong side. Okay. Let's looks like the bottom may be a little dried out. That's the flat. I mean, this thing is drenched with juice, guys. Looks like the bottom's a little dried out. Let's try it. Not bad.
Can I come over here?
Are you dressed on here? We'll do the. That's the test right there. It's supposed to be, see if it falls apart. And then, boy, look at that. Merry Christmas, guys.